Ayun si Daddy na.
To the
Zoo!
zoo! We're going to the
Zoo. Benga is and this is my muddy. Blue is so muddy's bingo muddy.
Okay.
So we go to the zoo with my mom and my dad.
Oh.
And the SM. And we are so happy. We go to sleep because it's nighttime now.
Oh, what is
Sorry.
vlog?
Continue for 11 kilometers.
We are so wrong because we go to the Baho room.
Oh, you get another room.
So we get another room. So I see a car, so I tago and
Oh.
so I don't sleep in the second. I sleep in the kabila room, and so I get in the cake. So I go to the bango room. So we're not watching TV.
Oh.
So mommy
You buy, what did you bought last night?
ice cream
Machine.
Ice cream machine toy.
Yeah.
And I guess
Soda pop. Ah! Made.
Oh, Madi, Donna. Madi. Go, go, go. Oh, maglapit yan sila. Oh. Alagay mo lang ha. Ayan na. Ayan na. Madi! Oh no! Ganyan na ala! Do you want to try, Madi? Si Daddy ang nadlang. Oh no! Look at that! Madi, si Madi. Si Madi. No more na. Try mo. Dili siya. Ayun na lang pilita kay mapatri. Si Daddy.
Ayan sa itas mo, sumusay.
Oh no! Abhishek! Oh no! Look at that!
Madi, dali. Together tayo. Tabi lang, Daddy. Dito lang,
Picture lang. Ayaw lang din. Wala na. Hello!
My name is Trisha. I am one of your hosts, and I'm very excited to be with all of you today in this 45 minutes. But no worries with that, because for today, we are all tingnan nga natin kung gaano ba katalino si store teacher ni Malagos. So, store teacher of the Malagos Bird School, can you... This morning, I have over here Nigel. We have Nigel swing side by side.
That's your...
Let us all welcome him again. Let us all welcome Kapitan.
Wow!
Ladies and gentlemen, meet Kapitan, our Philippine Hawk Eagle. Kapitan was donated to us by the local barangay captain of Barangay Baguio, thus his name. Kapitan was donated with a broken leg, and due to this, he can barely fly. We nursed him back to health, and Kapitan is now one of our swiftest. May narinig po ba kayo? I'm sure wala. That's because owls do have a silent flight pattern. And literally, hindi niyo po sila maririnig na lumipad no matter how hard they flap their wings. And that's because of their fine sets of feathers. Now, Brian, dito sila nakikita ng ating mga followers who they are. All of my volunteers, so don't hold them too tightly on your paper wheel so that our teacher bird can do something about it. At second, huwag po natin masyadong igalaw ang ating mga kamay para hindi pumalito ang ating parang walang breakfast or walang energy. This time with energy! Students of Malagos Bird School, are you ready to walk in?
Go, 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 go! Ala, ala, kunin niya yan! Ala! Wow! Ang nausan!
Naku po, sa lahat po na nakataas na 500, 150, 20, pababa na raw po. Doing his signature dance move, the head back. And for our PSM this morning, magba-basketball showdown na po ang ating mga pictures. That is certainly very tempting to just bring them home and make them as a pet. However, it is none of the efforts and know-how to take care of this bird. Blue here, for example. Blue was donated to us 15 years ago. And since Blue is originally from Brazil, we cannot release him back in the Philippine forest. Now, of course, may mga parrots po ba na endemic dito sa Pilipinas? O dito lang po sa Pilipinas natin makikita? The answer to that is
Sa home, di want to be
two of
that.
which that we'd like to mention are
Get
the
that one?
Gallabero and the
Sabi ni
Philippine
teacher,
hanging
hindi
parrots.
daw nga
Both of
pwede
them we can
go
see
as
here
a
in
pet.
Malagos Garden Resort in the wild.
Tinola.
Hello!
Napili, nagtumba!
Nabilin? Lo, follow, tatong bibi.
Now earlier, you have noticed that our tribal chieftain was praying for the birds for divine intervention. This is usually common because birds are used as biological indicators. If there happens to be a calamity, if you see birds flying up ahead in a circular motion, that is an indicator that it is now safe to return. Please look for these kinds of signs. In every disaster, we...
Achi, dito muna.
with the one first. One ako, one.
Careful lang ha. Sige, doyan mo siya. Dito ka, Achi. Alis ka dyan, Achi, kasi may ka. Wadi, oh. Very good si Wadi, oh. Achi, oh. Wow.
Isa, matamahan ka ni Mami.
Alis.
Ay, no. Hindi mo ganyan mag-swing.
Si Awadi, nasa
Wag i-stop. Straight lang ang feet na mo kay Maddie.
Oh. Straight ang feet, Maddie, sir. 1, 2, 3. Go!
Don't push it again.
Ay, okay, sorry.
Only game.
Ano naman mo, ikaw, walay challenge yung duyan. Ano yung mga ko'y pinalamba-lamba. Hello guys, that's my mom and dad.
Nagala siya
That's because the trees broke.
Ay, ay. 1, 2, 3.
Alis dyan, matamahan ka, Sai.
Are you ready? The tree going to flow because the bird going to...
Uy, di daddy bugat kayo.
Hoy, bugat ka pa!
Oh, dapat ganyan. Mo mag-swing ako, maglaka siya, oh.
Hello, bugat kasi daddy na.
Hey! Daddy, mabungga ang tree!
Mabungga ang tree. Ala, si Mati, very good si Mati, oh.
Ako naman, Daddy.
Oh!
Oh.
Ako naman.
Tuyok mo ko.
Kabugat niyo. Sama na inyong dinuyanan, oy. Wala na sa mua.
Dagyan mo.
Ikus ga!
It's fun.
It's fun?
Yes, really full fun.
Oh, really full of fun? Are you sure? Si Madi, oh, layo na kayo naglabutan si Madi. Si Madi kay hindi hawak. Sabi, paano Chinese ang hindi hawak?
Hindi hawak.
Ha?
We are requesting everyone to kindly refrain from going to the center of the field. The birds will be needing the space for later. Daghan salamat.
Ano yan? Sino? Pagod. Achi, come on.
Flying bird show. We encourage.
Smile.
This is a free flying bird start in a few minutes. Sit back, required by the host. You may have your
Good, that's the energy of
office.
1, 2, 3, smile. Smile. Achi. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Here are a few safety precautions.
Okay. Tachi, smile. Smile.
Are you doing the head stick?
Yung sa head mo.
Smile dito. Wait lang.
Smile.
Buddy. Ah. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Taas, taas.
Hoy, taas, Madi. Up, wait lang. Madi, smile. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Picture. Smile. Madi, thank you. Yan, thank you. Yan, thank you.
So I
Smile, Achi. Smile. Picture, picture. Achi, Achi, smile. Smile. Saya, dito kay Mami. Smile. Ayan na, smile ka.
Want you to check out is our love lifestyle that I want you to check out is our
Saya, dito kay Mami.
lifestyle that I want you to check out.
Smile kay Mami. 2, 3, smile. Madi, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.